How many of you guys have ran into a scenario where your battery has died on you and you're stranded on the side of the road? And then you either have to wait for a tow truck or a random stranger to pull up next to your car. Probably all of you guys watching this video. So hello everyone, today I wanted to share with you guys this little lifesaver right here. It's a portable car jumper and this thing can start your dead battery within a matter of seconds. So right now if I try starting my car, it doesn't crank, it's completely dead. I have a bad battery. So instead of being stranded on the road, I always carry along one of these, and I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to check it out. These things can basically jump a whole drained battery in a few seconds. So let me share with you guys. So we're going to connect the terminal onto the proper sides. And on this particular box, when the light lights up green, it's ready to start. So now I'm going to start it. And there you have it, just in a matter of seconds, my dead drained battery is completely powered up, and now I could drive the car and not be stranded on the road. So I just wanted to share this little tip and a car hack for you guys for emergency cases like this. So if you guys also want to check out a product like this, I'll have them linked down below in my description box. There's plenty of them, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.